Hey guys, it's me again. Just wanted to talk to you about something. Labor Day weekend, I was riding around. There was a truck in front of me with a little boy. Nice old school truck. It was like a 1970 something F100 or F150. It's one of those. It was a nice truck. I was checking it out. Well, this lady was catty corner on my left side. She was coming up, and all of a sudden I hear a car just braking really bad. I heard the tires screeching, so I kind of looked over, and the car was like creeping up little by little, like she was hitting the brake, letting it go, hitting the brake, letting it go. So I'm like, what the hell is she doing? And so she got right next to me. I looked over, and she had music going. She was just partying it up in that car. It was a blue Corolla. I looked over, and I think she was high. I mean, she was waving her hands up. She had a drink, a styrofoam drink in her hand, waving those arms down, sliding down her seat. She had her eyes closed. I really think she was high, the way she was acting. Her eyes looked red. I mean, they looked out there. They didn't look normal. Man, but she was having the time of her life. She could have gotten somebody hurt. She's over here playing around with the brakes, letting the brakes go, stomping on the brakes until she got to the red light. I was looking at the truck in front of me. The guy wasn't even paying attention. He had his windows down, his arm was out. He was hanging out with his son, which is cool. But he wasn't even paying attention to what's going on next to him. I mean, this girl was partying it up by herself, waving her hands everywhere. Man, it was kind of funny. My GoPro died 10 minutes before that. So there was no way for me to get all that footage. If not, it would have been perfect, because she was right next to me. I kept watching her, and man, she was going at it the whole time she was stopped. She would slide all the way down to her chair. I couldn't see her head. It must have been a good music. Whatever she had, it must have been good. She could have gotten somebody hurt. We were waiting at the light for a lengthy time. When the light turned, she wouldn't go, and there was cars behind her. So they were just honking the horn. She wouldn't move. Then they started honking some more. Then she moved. Then she started moving. She made a wide turn. I didn't want to move because I didn't want to get right next to her or anything. But the good thing is that when the light turned, I noticed that it was just for the left turn only, and she was on the left turn. A lot of people that was drinking out there that weekend. I just thought I would share that with you. That was to me, that was a close call. When she was coming up on the left lane, she could have been behind me or something, and she could have hit me. That would have been not cool. Man, you gotta pay attention, because you never know who's gonna be behind you, beside you. You don't know what their intentions are gonna be. After that, I went back to the house. I'm new to riding. I was thirsty.